John checking in here in a hacienda. It's very scary, getting real, and I'm very burnt. Thank you for listening.
We're going to a small town today. I forget what it's called. Doing something a bit more subtle. We've been going pretty hard the last couple days. We're off on another adventure. We left John behind because he's really slow. You made it. You made it down, John.
I made it down.
You got your fuel?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Early morning sun. That's the mobile today.
You have seatbelts on already? What's the view? Community. They call this the magical, the Mesoamerica, the whole entire territory. How long would it take? And for us, it only took 45.
So a little update on this morning. We're going to a town called San Sebastian. We've been on the bus for about an hour, feeling pretty crappy. We stopped at this bridge of Progressiano. Sorry for the pronunciation. And now we're supposed to do tequila tasting. You drinking this morning?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Absolutely. It's never too early for a tequila.
It smells really good.
Oh, there it goes. Sounds
It's the palate really sweet.
Oh yeah?
Goes down the throat smooth. Cool 7.
Cool 7.
40% alcohol content there. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10.
Same way.
What about you, John? That last one?
Yoga.
Oh. Okay.
Give this one a 6.
John's struggling over here. Tequila tasting. Success for the boys. We're in the town of San Sebastian now. We're just about to go into a coffee plantation.
The real effects of coffee around the coffee plantation. About 25,000 coffee trees. January, February, March, and April. Sweet side. is the
Sweet lime. Here we go.
The juice of the sweet limes. Great source of carbs. Morning. Coffee.
Did you get her? Is that what you get your girl? A little coffee?
We're in colonial town, Mexico, 1,400 meters of elevation. My mouth's on fire. I just had the hottest corn I've ever had in my life.
We just realized that today is Mother's Day, and probably the best day to come here. There's kind of a full party going on right now. We bought some cigars. Going to a museum after, so we're just roaming around. John's buying something else for his girlfriend. So
Out of money but full of love.
Johnny Vandermolen. Hacienda. This used to be a silver factory. We just finished up in San Sebastian, the main city there. We just had lunch. What are the chances of you going down there? Oh, he's doing it. That's a real... Bro, it's okay. I'll see you later. We're going in the creepy room now. Get in there, bud.
Oh my god, that's so mean.
We just learned that they melted the silver here. Oh, this oven goes back pretty far. Damn. I'm gonna go try to find the silver. Sam's now our tour guide. Echo!
Echo!
Sam's tour advice here. When you're on a tour, just go on your own. You'll find some cool stuff.
And that concludes our little trip today, our little culture trip to San Sebastian. One more adventure tomorrow and then we're off. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and I will see you soon.
And then my dog turned 3 and just stopped eating. Mealtime